What if stepping through the wrong door cost you everyone you ever loved? Akira discovers a hidden door behind his grandmother's shrine, leading to the most beautiful garden he's ever seen. Cherry blossoms float endlessly through golden air, and a gentle spirit offers him tea. They talk about his troubles, his fears, his dreams for hours. When he finally decides to go home, it feels like a peaceful afternoon well spent. But the door opens to his childhood house, now abandoned and crumbling. 40 years have passed in the real world. His parents are dead. His friends are elderly strangers who barely remember him. He's been missing for decades, yet he hasn't aged a single day. The spirit knew this would happen, trapping him in a timeless prison disguised as paradise. Every visit back will steal more years from the world he loves. Now he faces an impossible choice: return to the garden where time stands still, or stay in a world where everyone he cared about is gone forever. Some doors should never be opened,